Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to edit photos on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open the Photos app, then select a photo which you want to edit. Now just tap on the edit button over here. And from here, you will be able to edit the photo on your iPhone. First of all, you have the option of auto. And if you select auto, it will automatically edit the photos and it will select the best settings for your photo. After that, you have the option of exposure. And from here, you will be able to increase or decrease the exposure of your photo. Then you have the option of brilliance. After that, you have the option of highlights. And from here, you can control the highlights on your photos. And from here, you can control the shadows in your photo. After that, you have the option of contrast. And from here, you can increase or decrease the contrast of the photo. Then you have the option of brightness. And from here, you will be able to increase or decrease the brightness. Now in the black point section, you will be able to control the black points in your photos. After that, you have the option of saturation. And from here, you will be able to control the saturation of the colors in your photos. After that, you have the option of vibrancy. And after vibrancy, you have the option of warmth. And from here, you will be able to change the color temperature of the photos. After that, you have the option of tint. And in the tint section, you can apply a tint to the photos. And in the sharpness section, you can increase the sharpness of the photo. And after that, you have the option of definition. And from here, you can control the definition of the photo. And after definition, you have the option of noise reduction. And from here, you can reduce the noise in the photos. And finally, you have the option of vignette. And from here, you can apply a vignette effect to the photos. At the top of the screen, you can find the option of marker. And if you select marker, you can mark over the photo as you like. You can select between the different types of markers and highlighters. After you have done that, then the next option you have are filters. And from here, you can apply filters to your photos. And after filters, you have the option of crop. And from here, you can crop your photo as you like. You can change the angle by rotating your photo and by moving your photo vertically. And also you can move your photo horizontally. And once you're done editing your photo, then tap on done to save. Now, if you want to remove objects from your photos, for that, I will select another photo. For example, I will select this photo, then tap on edit and select object eraser. And from here, just create a circle or mark over the object which you want to remove from your photo. Just like that. And once you're done editing, then tap on done to save. And this is how you can edit photos on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.